All right, so here's our next adventure. This here rollback bed has seen better days. You can see I already cut my strips. The customer requested just to run strips down each side of the bed, reinforce it, and just help that deck a little bit. Everything else is pretty decent, just the deck's a little bit icky. So yeah, let's get into it. We're just gonna be laying these strips down the side, tacking them in place. Yeah, kinda like that. Yeah. And there we go. Got them fully tacked in place, or stitch welded, I guess I should say. I had one small unknown repair. Well, it was known, but we decided to do it after the fact. So one bed repair, and I went ahead and removed that gay ass rack that right there. So yeah, I'm all done with this. It's gonna go off the paint. So yeah, we are done. And I was just cleaning up and realized the song was very fitting for the end of this video. Another one bites the dust. Anyway, yeah.